Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. I'm Anahyan Mayrajol, BSc is 4E. I will going to explain in this lesson in my birthday presentation. Lesson 1. What is human-computer interaction? HCI. Human-computer interaction focuses on the interactions between human and computer systems, including the user interface and the underlying processes which produce the interaction. The contributing disciplines include computer science, cognitive science, human factors, software engineering, management science, psychology, sociology, and anthropology. Early research and development in human-computer interaction focuses on issues directly related to the user interface. Some typical issues were the properties, various input and output devices, interface learn ability for new users versus efficiency and extensibility for experienced users, and the appropriate combination of interaction components such as command language. Then, ang human-computer interaction ay nakatutok siya sa mga interactions sa pagitan ng tao at mga computer system, kabilang ang user interface at ang mga pinagbabatayan na proseso na ginagawa ng mga interactions. Then, what is Association for Computing Machinery, ACM? The Association for Computing Machinery, ACM, define human-computer interaction as a discipline concerned with the design, evaluation, and implementation of interaction computing systems for human use, and with the study of major phenomena surrounding them. An important facet of HCI is the securing of user satisfaction, or simply and user computing satisfaction, because human-computer interaction studies a human and a machine, and communication it draws for supporting knowledge on both the machine and human sides. On the machine, techniques and computer graphics, operating systems, programming language, and development environments are relevant. On the human sides, psychology, social psychology. Ang Association for Computing Machinery ay tumutukoy sa pakikipag-ugnayan ng tao at computer bilang isang disiplin na may kinalaman na disenyo. Then, user. By user, we mean an individual users or a group of users working together an appreciation of the way people's sensory systems, sight, hearing, touch, relay information is vital. Also, different users from different conceptions or mental models about their interaction and have different ways of learning and keeping knowledge. In addition, cultural and national difference play an important part. Sa pagitan ng user ay maaring ang ibig nating sabihin ay isang individual user or isang grupo ng user na nagtutulungan. Then, computer. When we talk about computer, we're referring to any technologies ranging from desktop computers to large-scale computer systems. For example, if we were discussing the design of a website, then the website itself would be referred to as the computer devices, such as mobile phones or VCRS can also be considered to be computer. Ang computer, kapag pinag-uusapan natin ang computer, tinutukoy natin ang anumang technology mula sa mga desktop computer hanggang sa malaking system ng computer. Then, interaction. There are obvious differences between humans and machines. In spite of this, HCI attempts to ensure that they both get on with each other and interact successfully. In order to achieve a usable system, you need to apply what you know about humans and computers and consult with likely users throughout the design process and real systems. The schedule and the budget are important, and it is vital to find a balance between what would be ideal for the users and what is feasible in reality. Ang interaksyon ay may mga halatang pagkakaiba sa pagitan ng mga tao at makina. Sa kabila ng mga ito, sinubukan ng human-computer interaction na matiyak na pareho silang magkakasundo at matagumpay ang nakikipag-ugnayan upang makamit ang isang mga magagamit na system. Then, Lesson 2. What is meant by a problem space? A problem space refers to the set of all possible states or configurations that a problem-solving agent can reach while searching for a solution to a problem. Ang problem space ay tumutukoy sa hanay ng lahat na posibleng estado o pag-aayos ng maaaring maabot ng ahente sa paglutas ng problema habang naghahanap ng solusyon sa isang problema. And then, how to conceptualize an interaction. Conceptualizing UI/UX interaction involves considering the overall user experience and how users interact with a product or system through the user interface design. Ang conceptualize sa pakikipag-ugnayan ng UI/UX ay kinabibilangan ng pagsasaalang-alang sa pagkalahatang ng user at kung paano makipag-ugnayan ang mga user sa isang produkto. And then, what is assumption? Taking something for granted when it needs further investigation, e.g. people will want to watch TV while driving. Ang assumption naman ay pagbabaliwala ng isang bagay kapag nangangailangan ito ang karagdagang pagsisiyasat hal gusto ng mga tao. Then, Lesson 3. What is conceptual model? A conceptual model is a representation of a system made of composition of concepts which are used to help people know, understand, or similarity. The object, the model, represents some models are physical objects. For example, a toy model, which may be assembled and may be made to work like the object it represent the theme conceptual. Ang conceptual model ay isa siyang representation ng isang system gawa sa komposisyon ng mga concepts na ginagamit upang matulungan ang mga tao na malaman, manawan o katulad ng bagay na kinakatawan ng isang modelo. And then, what is direct manipulation? Direct manipulation refers to a style of interaction with a computer in which visible objects are manipulated by the user, such as dragging and dropping files or resizing windows. Ang direct manipulation ay tumutukoy sa isang estilo ng pakikipag-ugnayan sa isang computer kung saan ang makikitang bagay ay manipulate siya ng user. And then, last, what is interface metaphor? An interface metaphor is a design concept that applies characteristic and features of a familiar object or concept to a user interface to make it more intuitive and user-friendly. For example, a trash can icon on a computer desktop represent deleting a file. Ang interface metaphor ay isang concept na disenyo na naglalapat ng mga katangian o tampok ng isang pamilyar na bagay o concepts sa isang user interface upang gawin ito mas intuitive at madaling gamitin. That's all.